What are you doing today?
Baking a cake.
Who are you baking a cake for?
Abigail, but it's two.
2 cakes.
Butterfly and heart.
How old is Abigail turning today?
She said she was 3, but she's actually 4.
Today she's 4 and we're baking her 2 cakes, a butterfly and a double heart cake.
How do we make the double heart instead of just 1 heart?
It's the same process. I'll show you.
Okay. This is the butterfly cake pan and the fancy fill heart cake pan. These are some of the ingredients for the cake. We have 2 cake mixes, a strawberry and a confetti.
Funfetti.
Funfetti. We have black icing for writing, purple and pink icing for decoration, and the balls that look like little mini gumballs, they're probably for more decoration. We have some flour. Hi, we're gonna do the strawberry cake first. Let's read the ingredients. 1 cup of water, 1 out of 2 cups of oil, and 3 eggs. Here's the instructions. Here's the oil.
And we need 3 eggs.
Pluck, pluck, pluck. Got 3 eggs. I did this before in Israel and more in America. Got it. 1. Whoop. Don't want the egg to hit that. We'll just put it here for now.
Here's a spoon to
2.
mix it.
3. Ow. The egg went ouchies. Slobber from eggs.
Looks great. Okay, put the oil in.
My hand shakes. Yes!
Super good job.
Thanks. I gotta wash my hands. Can I do that?
Yeah.
I'm going. Needs 1 cup of water. And here is the cake flour and sugar. Yeah, this is less full than the oil, so I know I can do this. This is super duper easy.
Good job.
Doesn't look yummy. Is it open? Oh, I got the scissors. That's the reason. Because it isn't open. Okay, I gotta cut in here. Do we put the whole thing?
Yes.
Okay. We get the whole thing. I know this won't look yummy. Whoops. I got some out of the bowl. Ugh. Doesn't look yummy.
Okay, mix it with a fork now, just to make sure it's all wet.
I don't know if this will look yummy when it's done, but it will smell very yummy. And it probably will taste very yummy. My mommy is gonna grease and flour the cake pan while I mix. Colors match. Pink for heart. Hey, I'm gonna pour this in, and then we're gonna have cake that has to probably dry up. Okay. Super duper cake mix. some in each heart. Oh no! It's not going fast enough.
Okay, we're going to use this to scrape the rest out.
Okay. Work, smiling face. Whoa, that's a lot. But we also need right here in the corners. How do we spread it?
Pretty?
Yeah, but how do we spread it?
Hold on a minute.
Yeah, you bake it, but how does it dry up?
The baking makes it baked. It doesn't dry up, it cooks.
Oh, so you cook it.
Yeah, it bakes. Cooking and baking, that's the same thing. It just bakes in the oven.
Yep.
So we're cooking it, and that hardens it up.
Okay, that's what happened with mine.
Uh-huh.
We gotta flatten it out. 45% of it is done.
Yeah. It's going to rise up, so it's going to rise and fill the cake pan as it bakes.
Oh, so it evaporates?
No, it bakes, so it cooks.
It cooks in it.
Into the oven it goes.
We're gonna make the Funfetti cake. Oh, there's little things in here. I didn't know. And scissors. Thanks.
Very good. Get your fork and stir it all up.
Yep.
Put the water in it.
Yeah, you put it in. Wait until it's yellow.
Yeah. Mix it all up until it's all wet.
I'm just gonna do the stirring alone. If I need help, I'll tell you.
You get to lick this afterwards, but right now you need to pour.
Okay. I love the Funfetti most. Yikes, pour it in. Funfetti master. It's coming. Just gotta wiggle and jiggle a little bit.
It's done. Now we have to wait for it to cool.
Hope you like your cakes. Hi guys, Abigail's turning 4 and it's her birthday. Give a like and subscribe, thumbs up and click the bell button. Bye bye.
It's so thoughtful of you.
Hi guys, I love you, and let's see if you subscribe or click the bell button. Click on my other videos. See you next time. Bye.